Welcome back to another quick guide today. I'll walk you through how to get animated wallpaper on PC. First is to turn on your Windows PC and make sure to sign in. Open a web browser such as Chrome, Edge, or any browser you prefer to. Go to the Microsoft Store or the app's official website. Search for Lively Wallpaper or Wallpaper Engine. Lively Wallpaper is free, Wallpaper Engine is paid. Download and install the application. Launch the Live Wallpaper app after installation. Allow the required permissions if prompted so the app can run properly. Choose a live wallpaper from the built-in animated options. Preview the wallpaper by clicking the three dots, then select Preview to see how it looks on your screen. Apply the live wallpaper by clicking the three dots, then choosing Set as Wallpaper or Apply. Adjust performance settings if needed by clicking the three dots, selecting Customize, setting the quality to low or medium, and clicking OK, especially if your PC is low or your laptop battery drains quickly. Optionally, add your own live wallpaper by importing videos, GIFs, or web wallpapers. Close or minimize the app. The live wallpaper will continue running in the background. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.